Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Praxis Elementary Education Exam 5018? This is a multi-subject exam for elementary education. These questions are sample questions from the mathematics category and specifically cover the subtopic of numbers and operations. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. Round the value 2,475,100 to the nearest 10,000. So let's write that value down, 2,475,100. We've got the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. And we need to round it to the nearest 10,000, which is here. So we look to the right, to the next place over, which is the thousands place. And we ask the question, is it 5 or greater? And if the answer is yes, then this number goes up 1. If the answer is no, it remains the same, and the rest of the numbers are zeros. So the answer is yes, so it becomes 2,480,000. Like that. And there's our correct answer. Problem number 2. What is the estimated whole number difference between 79.87 and 24.55? Simply eyeballing it, we can get the numbers 80 and 25. If you want to be more accurate about it, if you're worried, we can look at the ones in this case and ask ourselves, is it 5 or greater? And it is. So this number becomes 8. And that's how that's done. With this one, we'll look at this number here and ask ourselves, is it 5 or greater? And it is. So this becomes 25. So 80, and we're taking away 25, and that is 55. So our answer for the estimated whole number difference between these two numbers is 55. Problem number 3. A composite number is a number that is a multiple of 2 prime numbers, is divisible by only 1 and itself, is a factor of 2 prime numbers, or can be divided by a number other than 1 and itself. So the definition of a composite number is a number with more than 2 factors. So not a prime number, in fact, the opposite of a prime number. So is divisible by only 1 in itself is a prime number, and that is definitely not a composite number. Now, this is a semi-prime number, one that is a multiple of 2 prime numbers, and that is not the correct answer either. Is a factor of 2 prime numbers because prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and itself, then the highest common factor will only ever be 1, and that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is can be divided by a number other than 1 and itself. Problem number 4. Josh saw half a cake inside the refrigerator. If he ate 3/4 of it, how much of the original cake did he eat? So Josh saw half of a cake and he ate 3/4 of it. So what is that? 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 4 is 8. So I think the answer is of the original cake. He ate 3/8 of it. Let's do it visually as well. So when Josh got there, only half of the cake was left, so 4 slices. And he ate 3/4 of those 4 slices. So there's only 1 slice left, and he ate 3 out of the total of 8 slices. 3/8 again. So 3/8 is our answer. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better understanding of the types of questions you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.